Welcome to Lemon Cone. Today we're gonna make some delicious chicken corn soup. So we're gonna start with 700 gram chicken, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, half teaspoon of salt, and 6 cups of water. Now wait till it starts to boil, and then we're gonna remove the scum. Now cover and let it cook for half an hour. And then stain it and shred the chicken. Now pour the chicken stock into the pot. Add the shredded chicken. Mashed corns, you can just mash the regular sweet corns. Add quarter cup of regular corns. Salt 1 teaspoon or to taste. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can also add chicken powder if you like. Now add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and add slurry, which is made of water and corn flour. You can change the proportions according to how thick you wanna make it. Now beat and add 2 egg whites while constantly stirring the soup. I use just the egg whites, but you can use whole eggs too. Now for the preparation of crackers, take 2 tortillas, roll them and cut them into thin strips as shown. Now fry them until they get like a golden brown color. Mix 2 tablespoons of green chili with a quarter cup of vinegar. And these are the sauces to be served with the soup. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.